Hi guys, today I'd like to present you our centrifuge model Tornado WS3300. This is a key machine for every rug cleaning workshop where large quantities of rugs are cleaned daily and where you are looking for an efficient and reliable machine. This model of the centrifuge, which has 3.3 meters long inner drum, can spin most rugs on the market, including heavy and very large rugs you can get. The centrifuge is built to operate continuously and withstand the demanding conditions of every modern rug cleaning plant. The main goal when developing this model of the centrifuge was to eliminate the number of welded components and spare parts. Why it is so important? Fewer welded parts mean that each individual element can be easily removed or replaced at any time. Fewer welded parts mean that each individual part or individual element can easily be unscrewed and replaced in the future, eliminating the need for costly repairs or entire replacing of structural components. This reduces service downtime and eliminates operating expenses. As you know guys, the heart of each centrifuge is its drum. Protima is the only company in the world which uses uniform seamless drum for these kind of machines. Each drum is made of high-grade stainless steel, seamless for maximum strength, reinforced with Otorin, electronically balanced for smooth rotation. As a result, this centrifuge operates smoothly and quietly even when working with heavy and big rugs. Bearing failure is the most common issue you can meet dealing with the centrifuge. This model of centrifuge features an innovative bearing solution which prevents any failure regarding the bearing system for an extended period of use. It ensures stability and an extended lifespan with minimal need for technical maintenance. It means more uptime, increased productivity and reliable performance day after day. The control panel is designed to be clear, simple and intuitive. Each operator can easily and quickly learn how to use the machine. The centrifuge includes an emergency stop and protection from starting the machine with the open door, which is extremely important for the safety of the operator. The main body of the centrifuge is hot dip galvanized, which prevents this machine from any corrosion. To ensure corrosion resistance, the main body of the machine is hot dip galvanized. The unit also features airbags for cushioning. They minimize vibration transfer to the floor and keep the machine stable during the whole process of rinsing. This design improves the stability and comfort of operation. Our centrifuge Tornado WS3300 is a reliable, high-capacity rug centrifuge designed for professional rug cleaning laundries, which you can use in your everyday work, and 100% you'll be very satisfied. If you have any questions or need any additional information, please contact me. Thank you for staying with us. Please subscribe. See you in our next videos. Bye.